We are back with a haul and unboxing video yet again. I have ordered 2 more items from Louis Vuitton, some gorgeous dresses from Bella Barnette, and also a few Zara items as well that I cannot wait to show you. Let me know what you think to everything in the comments down below. Hey everyone, my name is Steph. If you are new to this channel and love all things luxury, you, my friend, are in exactly the right place because we get it. So make sure you join us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell down below. Let's dive straight into today's unboxing video then. I will, of course, pop links in the description box down below for you so that you can shop this video really easily. And if you are already a subscriber, you might think, Steph, it was like a week ago that you put a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing out. That is true. You will see at the end of this video when I unbox the 2 Louis Vuitton items, my rationale behind it, and I'm absolutely going to need your opinion. Now, I am an absolute sucker for a beautiful dress. I think like a beautiful dress teamed with the most amazing designer bag, I just live for it. So I would like to say a huge thank you to today's video sponsor, which is Bella Barnette. They have some incredibly glamorous dresses on their website, one of which I am wearing right now, you might have noticed, and they have kindly sent me a few different dresses that I've requested to try on and wear. They have also kindly given Handbagholic subscribers an exclusive discount. The code is 15STEPH. I will link to everything down below for you so that you can get $15 off, and you also get free worldwide shipping when you spend over $100. First, we have this gorgeous halter neck dress with diamantes and like little faux pearls all over. It is so gorgeous. I love a halter neck. They generally make you look taller. I am wearing a size small and it just fits to the body so comfortably. I've also took the tassels in on this just to show an example that you could take them off. So here I have a long black pencil style dress. It has a slit down the side and I'm loving the detail on the shoulder. Like the fact it's all covered up on one side and then your shoulder is out on the other. You've also got some like buttons that aren't really buttons, just some detailing here on the collar. I'm loving this one. Again, stretchy, wearing a size small. Now for a more glamorous moment, a look at the sequin number. This is a one shoulder sequin dress. I got this in the colour gold. I would say it's like a really light champagne colour gold actually. It's really nice. You could have the sleeve all the way down. I quite like to roll it up just for a bit of a different look. I'm just loving how this like glistens. All the sequins on there is absolutely gorgeous. This is definitely for a more glamorous moment. Wearing a size small. To do this one up, there is a zip down the side, so it's really easy to get into. It's not too tight either. Very, very comfortable. You could definitely wear this all night. Look at the way it shines. And next up, we have another pencil style dress. I've gone for like a glittery, glamorous look here. These aren't sequins, this is just the fabric. This is a halter neck again, and it has a slit down the front as opposed to down the side. This is a really flattering style dress. Put this on with some heels, super simple, ready to go. And here you can see the fabric close-ups. It's not sequins, it's almost like what is kind of printed onto the fabric, if that makes sense. And then the top part is matte. One of my favourites though is this gorgeous white dress. You've got all these ruffles across the top. It's very like over the top, but it's so delicate and beautiful at the same time. Then the main dress is all ruched, so this really holds you in. Again, this fabric is stretchy. I am wearing a size small, but it does feel like, because you've got all the ruching there, it kind of hides all the lumps and bumps. So I am absolutely in love with this dress. This is perfect as like a special occasion dress or a summer dress on a beach holiday. Let me know in the comments down below which out of those beautiful Bella Barnette dresses are you liking the most. Personally, I think my favourite is this white ruffle one. And of course, I can wear my new Louis Vuitton bag with this dress. I think it's going to look perfect. So once I've unboxed it with you, we're going to be trying it on with this dress because specifically I've had like this vision in mind and I think it's going to work perfectly. Thank you so much to Bella Barnette for sponsoring this part of today's video, and make sure you use the code 15STEPH. I will flash it on the screen down below for $15 off your order. Next up, we have a few items from Zara. There is a dress in particular that I actually want to wear as a top, which I'm about to show you, that I'm most excited about. And here it is. This is the dress. We've got sequins on the top. Like I said, this is quite a short dress. So for me, I am going to pair it with a pair of trousers now. Here we go. And wear it as a top instead. I absolutely love it. This is just perfect. You know, for those maybe like going from work, going out for cocktails, and you just quickly want to change into something a little bit more sparkly, appropriate, glamorous, this dress / top would be perfect. Now it is selling out. I am wearing a size small here, but I might order it an extra small. Next up, I ordered this white dress specifically to go with my new Louis Vuitton marshmallow bag to see what it looks like. Again, needs a really good iron. This is like a satiny kind of finish. It's like a shiny finish. So I'm not so sure about that. This is a size small again. And here it is with the marshmallow bag. Just to try it. I feel like it does work really well actually with this colour, but I'm just a little bit unsure on the kind of shine finish of this dress. And also I would probably order an extra small actually, because the small is, even though it's really comfortable, it's just slightly too big. Now this is the asymmetric dress from Zara, inspired by all the great designers right now. It looks amazing on the website. It looks okay, but personally, I'm just not feeling it. I feel like it's too flimsy. I wouldn't really trust going out in this dress. What do we think? Okay, I promise a double Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is the first piece. Now, I have had this before. This is an accessory and I sold it. I don't know why. Well, I do. I never used it. I had actually never attached it to a bag. That was the plan. I sold it and I just regretted it instantly, and I've thought about it more and more and more. This was from a limited edition collection which you can no longer buy, so I had to get this pre-loved. I got this from Vestiaire Collective, and it's actually one of the first times I've ordered from Vestiaire. I really enjoyed it. I got it authenticated. Really like that service. It just adds an extra level of security. So I saw this on Vestiaire and I just decided to order it again because there is a very specific reason. So let's unbox it and then I will show you. Here we go. The piece that I sold and regretted is back again. Has anyone else done this with something? It's a small charm to go on a bag, and here it is. It is from the Catagram collection. This is the dog charm and the little tongue sticks out. I just think this is the most adorable thing. As soon as I saw it on the Louis Vuitton site, I ordered it. And yeah, I had it for a few months and just didn't use it, so I sold. But very, very glad to finally have this piece back in my collection. You've got the reverse monogram there on the strap. Here's the tag from Vestiaire saying that it was checked by Veronica. On the back, it is the reverse monogram in like the dog shape, so you could clip it on like the other way as well. How cute. So this is the reason that I decided to order this again. I have a rescue dog. His name is Pablo. We believe he's about 12 years old. I absolutely love him, and he is a black Chihuahua and his tongue sticks out. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. So this is why I instantly regretted selling the charm. I was like, oh my gosh, it looks like a little Pablo and it's Louis Vuitton. It's absolutely gorgeous. He is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot recommend, if you want to get a dog, please do think about getting a rescue dog. He is just the absolute light of my life, and I'm so glad that I've got the charm back in my life now, because every time I see it, and I definitely will try and use it this time, it just reminds me of this gorgeous boy. Now on to the main event, another Louis Vuitton bag. Like I said, last week I unboxed a Louis Vuitton bag. This is a different bag, but it's from the same collection. It was selling out in the US, it released in the UK, and I knew I just needed to order it. So I am absolutely going to need to get your opinion on this. Let's unbox it together now. The packaging is beautiful as ever from Louis Vuitton. We've got the receipt and documents in there, but we don't need to see that. Let's just get to the good part. Opening it up, we've got the blue ribbon, we've got a tag on the front. This one wasn't tied too tightly, luckily. Can you guess which bag it is? You might, if you already know this collection, Spring in the City, you probably know which bag this is right now because of the shape. I have wanted this bag for so long, but I've just never fallen in love with a particular colour. But this might be the game changer. This is the OnTheGo PM in the Sunrise Pastel from the Spring in the City collection. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the OnTheGo. Everyone knows I'm an advocate for this tote bag. I have the next size up, which is the MM size. I love the PM size because you can crossbody it. You get these like straps inside, hooks, to put the strap on. Here we've got like iridescent logo on the front, which is raised from the canvas. Yeah, I've wanted one for so long, but I've just never liked one enough to purchase it, like the black leather. But I feel like this colourway really lends itself to this style of bag. You have the pink and the mint green here, the purples and the pinks. I really like how they've done the monogram in different colours. Take a quick look inside. Now, the one thing that did kind of put me off this bag is this particular strap, because I don't like the guitar straps. We'll come on to that in a second. The lining of the bag is this beautiful purple colour, and it's got like the little fleurs all over. You've got the zip compartment at the back, which is actually quite large. You could easily fit card holder, phone inside of there. And then you've got the hoops on the side to attach the strap on. So let me just show you what this looks like with it on. This is in like a mint green colour with gold hardware. I actually prefer this in person than online. You also get this like coin purse holder, which you attaches to the strap. This I think I will probably sell. I don't like this. I think it looks pretty, but I would just never attach it to the strap. And here it is. So you can crossbody, shoulder it, or use the top handles. What does everyone think? Oh my gosh, what do we think to this, guys? I love it. I have wanted an On-The-Go PM for ever since I saw them. I said, as soon as they bring the PM size out, because I love my MM size here, I absolutely love it. But as soon as I saw this size and I saw that you could crossbody it, I was like, I want to get one of those. But I have been waiting for one to come out in canvas specifically. So I was thinking originally that they would bring it out in this kind of canvas, the reverse canvas, on the PM size. That has never materialized, and this bag has only been brought out in like the Empreinte leather and the like color combination leathers. I've never really loved those. This is actually the first time, I think it's the first canvas bag of this, the PM size that has ever been released. I did mention in the marshmallow unboxing video, I'll come on to this in a second, the unboxing from last week, that this canvas is thicker than the kind of normal canvas on some of my Louis Vuitton items. Apparently, according to like Louis Vuitton is repairs team, this is a new type of canvas from the brand. Now, I would say that these canvas items are quite expensive, but the colours are absolutely gorgeous, and you can definitely tell like a slight difference in the canvas. I do think it's going to last a bit longer. Now onto the fact that I have here two very similar sized bags, which was not really my plan. I ordered the marshmallow first because I loved it. I figured with the zipper across the top it is more secure. I like the top handle. I like that I've not got this style of bag in my collection at all. But then I looked at pictures of both for a while, and I was like, oh my gosh, I do feel like this is such a great print in the small On-The-Go, and you can crossbody it with the strap, although I'm not so keen on the strap on this one, to be honest with you. I really don't like the coin purse on it either. Like, that's something that I would, if I keep this bag, I will probably sell the coin purse because I wouldn't just never use it. The strap I don't love so much, but I do think it's actually quite a nice green, so I feel like I can get on board with it for the sake of just really loving this colourway. With limited edition, I feel like you have to move pretty fast on them because they do sell out, and I would rather have them and then return one of them or both of them, as opposed to completely miss out and then have to pay like reseller prices to get hold of anything. That is why I have two of them. The On-The-Go was slightly more expensive. This was £2,350. This was £1,920. So we've got like a nearly £400 difference there on these bags, this one being the more expensive one. But I do think actually if I sold the coin purse that comes with this one on the strap, this little thing that I will never use, I think these retail around £300. You can't buy this particular one because this is like exclusive to this bag. So I might be able to get some of the money back, which kind of makes them then the same price as each other. Which one do you guys like? I really need your opinion. I'm leaning more towards the On-The-Go, but I do think the marshmallow bag is just super cute and it looks amazing in the sunrise pastel print. And this was my vision with the Bella Barnette white ruffle dress and the On-The-Go in the sunrise pastel. This bag, because of the colour, is not going to be the easiest to style, but team it with a gorgeous white dress and oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful piece. I am so in love. What an epic haul video. I have really enjoyed it. I'm now feeling super prepared for summer. Beautiful dresses from Bella Barnette, again linked down below, and the discount code, make sure you use that for $15 off your order. The Zara pieces maybe weren't so successful, but I do like the sequin dress, so I'm going to order that in the extra small. And obviously my Louis Vuitton pieces, this little gorgeous charm, which reminds me of my beautiful dog Pablo. He's just the most amazing dog. I love him so much. So it's actually really nice to have this again. You know when you just buy something, or sorry, you sell something and you just instantly regret it? That is this for me. I'm like, why did I sell that? It just seems ridiculous. And then my beautiful new On The Go. Make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next I will link my latest video release here for you, and over here we are going luxury shopping in London, guys. There is so much eye candy. You aren't going to want to miss this. Enjoy.